Hey everyone, I'm DSA. Today I'm solving LeetCode problem number 1837, sum of digits in base k, a C++ solution. What if I told you that converting a number into another base is not even necessary to solve this problem? Let's solve LeetCode 1837 using a simple mathematical approach in C++. In problem statement, we are given two integers, n the number, k the base. Our task is to convert n into base k and return the sum of its digits. The good news is we don't actually need to build a converted number. Here's the trick. Whenever we divide a number by k, n modulus k gives the last digit in base k. N slash k removes the last digit. So we can repeatedly extract digits and keep adding them to our answer. Let's see the code. We start by creating a variable to store the answer, int s equal to 0. Now we keep processing the number until it becomes 0, while n inside the loop. S plus equals to n modulus k. The modulus operator gives the current digit in base k. Then n slash equal to k. This removes that digit so we can move to the next one. Finally, return s returns the sum of all digits. Let's try run. Let's take an example. N equal to 34, k equals to 6. First iteration, 34 modulus 6 equal to 4. Sum becomes 4. Now 34 divides by 6 becomes 5. Second iteration, 5 modulus 6 equal to 5. Sum becomes 9. Now 5 divided by 6 becomes 0. The loop stops. Final answer is 9. So the loop runs once for every digit in base k. So the time complexity is O of log kn. The space complexity is O of 1, since we only used one extra variable. And that's it, a clean mathematical solution without ever creating the base k representation. If the explanation helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LeetCode C++ solutions, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.